This is the Polaroid effect, and how we get this is we open up a new image, go to File, click on Open, find an image of your choice. For this case I'm going to use the bike. I'm going to click Open. Now the first thing I'm going to do is press N to get my marquee tool, or you can click over here, make a selection of your choice. I'm going to take about this selection right about here. Next we're going to go to Select, click on Transform Selection. We're now able to move the selection without creating any distortion or cutting the picture out. Once we've got it roughly where we'd like it to be, so as an example I like this effect just here, I'm going to click on the Commit button, or you can press Enter. Once you've done that, press Ctrl J, and what that'll do is, using that selection that you've just had, it's now going to make a cutout there. So what we're going to do now is, going down to the bottom of the screen here, click on the Effects button. I'm going to click on Stroke, and once we've clicked on Stroke, what we're going to do is to make a few changes. Firstly, I'm going to change the position to the inside. I'm going to change my color to white. Then what I'm going to do next is see how big I actually want this to look, the actual outside border. So I'm going to try 10. Yep, 10 looks good. Once I've done all of that and I'm happy with it, I'm now going to go to my drop shadow. Once I go to my drop shadow, what I'll do then is I'll make a few of the changes here so you can see the drop shadow just here. So the first thing I'm going to do is, all those settings are fine. I'm going to make the distance roughly around 20 or something like that, so you can see it's a fair distance off there. I'll make the spread, we'll try 2 to start off with, and the size, which will just blur it a little bit more, we'll try 10. Okay, so that's blurred off a little bit there. Yep, 5's a little bit better there. So that's the settings that I've got there. Once I've got all those things, I'll click OK. Now for my background here, I'm going to press Ctrl J once more, then Ctrl Shift U to take the desaturation out. And what that'll do now is it gives me the Polaroid effect looking as though it's sitting just on top of a picture, on top of another picture there.